You go. Hey everybody, welcome back. And
hey, I'm back.
Welcome back. By the thumbnail, maybe you saw it. Sam, my buddy Sam Baldwin, Sam's Model Mayhem, when he was here last, he left her a little note that says, "Please finish me." So we're going to try to finish me. Anyway, so in this installment of how long is this model going to take to get built? She's always either too tired or, well, I said, yeah, on one of my last videos, I was like, okay, when I get home and work on it, she goes play pickleball, and she gets back, and I'm just too tired.
Well, I get back so late. So.
Anyway, I just don't go play pickleball. So we're going to try to get the two-tone laid out on this thing. I bought her some tape, which I don't know if it's going to work or not, because it's just cheap Amazon tape, but it is pinstriping tape. So we're going to try and lay this out and try to get this body two-toned. Right?
Right.
Okay?
Yep.
Is that what you want to do?
Yeah, exactly what I'm going to do.
Right. I wasn't here saying never get done. Anyway. Alright, so that's what we're going to start doing. And, yeah. Got anything you want to say?
Nope.
Alright. Wish her luck.
Yep. I need it.
Alright. So, we sort of got it taped up. I helped her a lot because this was a toughie. I've never really done a
two-person job.
A two-tone thing, so it took both of us sometimes to hold the body and to get it taped, but it is what it is at this point. Got the paint. Not 100% sure if this is the right color, but we're fixing to paint it on there. I think it'll look fine. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Can you say that louder?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, good. But yeah, it was not the easiest taping job, and we will see. I got this cheap old crap tape that doesn't want to stick to anything, and around the edges where I've cut it here, I'm afraid it's going to get overspray. But we'll just have to go back and touch up paint if it does, because it is just the crappiest tape ever. It's not Tamiya tape. I've got Tamiya tape, but I've got this stuff that I bought from China that's like, why not? Yeah, no. You get what you pay for, that's for sure. So I'm going to load the gun up with the, looks like milk. And we're going to paint some paint. Ready? Well, she put the first coat on there, and that airbrush, we are having airbrush dilemmas, and we have a brand new one on here. By the way, Mr. Ian White, that is the airbrush you actually bought for Heather some time ago. It's been in the box, yeah. So this is a brand new Neo Eco airbrush. Never had anything shot through it. Actually, I just hit it a while ago just to make sure paint would come through it, but yeah, thanks Mr. Ian White up in Canada for sending that to Heather. And thank you, Heather. Thank you, Ian. Thank you, Ian.
Thank you, Ian.
All right. So she's going to put another coat because it looks kind of gray and it's not 100% covered. Yeah.
Yeah, like
I think we got the
bottle, it looks cream.
Yeah, and you can
it
see the
looks
difference
gray.
there. But maybe you get another coat on there, it might maybe.
If not, it's going to be gray.
Well, it's just going to be this color. But anyway, all right, you ready?
Yeah,
all right,
try.
go for it. here we go, peeling off the paint. It ain't completely dry, and I keep telling her, do not touch the paint. So we'll see how good a job she does. I think you'll mess up being that thing's on that spinner.
Well, what do you
I
want me
would
to do?
say hold the thing, like hold it solid. But if you're getting it, just do what you're doing. Some of the tape, but that tape is no good. But sometimes if the tape's taped to each other, inside to inside, it's gonna be harder to pull off. But I don't think any of this tape's gonna be hard to pull off.
Well, oops, sorry, that was loud. Oh man.
Easy. Don't let the other tape touch the paint either.
It's
It's because I got it like wrapped on top of each
like I'm
other.
gonna have to tear it. I don't
Well,
know how to do
if you
that.
tear, that's fine.
Yeah, but I don't want to.
But you don't want to break the body either. There you go. Pull this up.
I am.
Get this piece and pull it back towards you without. There you go.
Moment of truth.
Oh, there you go. Well, it's just this is Tamiya paint, so it dries super fast. I wouldn't worry about that piece yet, because it will come off when you pull these other pieces below it off. Like this one right here.
Yeah.
Good thing with Tamiya paint, it just lacquer paint dries so fast. This will be, we'll have to clear coat this once she gets everything done. Oh man. Oh, okay. I thought I saw something. It was where the cutout for the mirror is. I was like, oh no. Don't touch the paint.
I'm not.
You almost did just then. I told her I wish she'd have picked a more difficult kit. This is so easy. This kit is like basically a snap kit. I mean, you don't even have to do anything.
I know. It's pretty basic. I was like, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It'll be gratifying once you're done with it. Once you're done with it.
in a year or so.
If it wasn't for Sam, though, the thing would still be sitting here. See? That's probably wrapped around.
Oh, no.
Don't dare. There you go.
Ooh. Okay. I don't know where to grab that.
Yeah, just how
I think I'm going to take it off of here. Oh, no, I don't know.
You can if you want to, because you can hold it like right there on that tape. As long as you don't grab the white part, so you can hold the body there and take it off of that thing. Just squeeze those things together.
I thought I'm going to drop it.
Please don't.
This is right here. A nice chipped polish.
You go get your nails done like once a week. Why are they chipped?
Because I really don't know.
It's looking good so far.
I feel like I'm about to rip the body.
Yeah.
With the pulling. Crap, I don't really know where to hold it.
You're on that. Now you can hold on the brown part. So, can you get that inside piece? Go ahead and pull it loose. Just right here.
I know, but I need to get my other hand stable. Let me start here.
I don't even think really much needed that, but anyway. You need an extra hand?
Yeah, hold it.
All right, go ahead.
There we go. So quiet.
Oh, be careful! Don't get that
Gosh.
tape on your paint.
Hang on.
We had Pink Floyd playing, but I can't. Joseph's here with me, by the way.
What's up?
Gosh, I don't know where to hold it.
We were playing Pink Floyd, but we can't play it while we're videoing, obviously, because they'll Copyright strike me or whatever that's called.
All right, I'm struggling now because I don't know where
Let's
to
see.
put my hand.
I don't have my glasses on, so I can't really see
Hang
what's
on.
going on here.
Maybe if I start at the other end.
The reason I always take the paint off. I always paint with enamels. I'm talking to the camera, not you.
I kind of figured that.
But I always take the paint off. I mean the tape off before the paint's dry because enamel, at least when I paint, it's thicker, and I don't ever want the paint to be stuck to the
You're gonna take these little strips off?
Yeah, the blue strips and the white strip. I don't ever want the paint to get stuck to the tape and then rip the paint, so I always take it off early. But this is lacquer, and I don't know. You could probably leave it on there longer. But anyway, I just figured. And anticipation.
Gosh.
We just want to see what this thing's going to look like.
Oh man, I don't.
Just pull it. It'll
You
pop
sure
that
it's
little.
not gonna,
It'll
like-
pop that little white piece.
Okay,
There you go.
okay. That's like satisfying.
That
oh my gosh.
blue tape, I think, did a pretty good job. It's very thin. When you look at the rolls, it's like you look at it, it's like, man, this is gonna be thick. This stuff's not gonna work good, but it's really thin. So I think that it's done a good job. It came from Amazon, but it's probably Chinese too. But that yellow tape, I could recommend you guys don't ever buy that junk. If you find this cheap yellow tape in like 5 different sizes and you get a whole pack, don't buy that junk. It is not any good. Look at there. But see, this stuff here is like strong. It's made out of
Hold it.
the body.
I just need to.
Playing Twister here.
There we go.
Oh man, look where it
What?
ran right there on that seam.
Where?
It went up in it.
Oh, yep.
We'll touch it up with a paintbrush or something. That's the only thing. It's the body lines. So you got your mold or your seams like for your doors and all, and it went through there. Darn it! But we can fix that. That's no biggie. I'm sitting here watching it, and I'm not even filming it.
I mean, it's really not that exciting.
It's not, but it's very satisfying to pull the tape off and see those. I think it looks pretty good so far. I'm liking it. Even if the paint's not exactly the same, it's sure Stranger Things. It's not a movie set car. So we'll take some paint and touch up those little bleed through areas. Is it hard to get that? That stuff sticks good.
Did I get it up? No.
One more piece, or almost.
Gosh.
Man, it bled through all the
I think I got it all.
seams. Let me can you hold the camera just for a second? I want to put my
Yeah.
glasses on so I can see it. Okay, let's see. Oh, that won't look too bad. So we'll take and paintbrush in a little bit where it bled through right there. That don't look too bad. I think you done good. We can hit a little sandpaper on there. See, there's like an edge where the white paint is.
Yep, I see that.
And we'll wet sand that. That's gonna look pretty good.
I did a great job.
You did.
With your help.
You sure did. There's some little little spots in the paint, but we'll sand that smooth. And got to paint the mirrors. The mirrors are supposed to be.
What did we forget?
Those are shocks. We can hand paint those. That's no
Where's
problem.
the mirrors?
They're over there.
What did we forget?
Yeah, when we were priming in body color, we forgot to paint that. So anyway, this is gonna be pretty good, honey. Put
The hood's not the right color. So.
The hood?
I meant not hood. The top of the car.
I think it's gonna look fine.
I mean, it'll look fine, but it's just not. It's not the right color.
Right. Here, hold it. I'm gonna get.
I gotta be in it.
Yeah, hold it up. Give us a big smile. Look here.
No, I don't like my Invisalign showing.
She's got Invisalign braces, so she's conscious about those things, but you can't see them.
I know.
But anyway, all right, looks good.
Looks like a retainer in my mouth.
You done good.
Thank you.
All right. All right, Joseph, give her a hand clap.
Clap for me.
Hand clap, Joseph.
Thank you. Now.
He's been here the whole time tonight. We watched a dirt late model race and taped and painted and had a good time. All right. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later. MCVproducts.com. We appreciate it. Why am I just filming nothing? How can I turn this thing? Appreciate you. So I feel weird. Once I was done, I was just filming the table. So anyway, thanks guys for watching, and give her some encouragement. She's doing good, and this thing's gonna look really nice when she's done with it. So talk to you later. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.